So when you put the inner tube in, if I put the
Let me get that in the right position.
Yeah. So where the port is inside the rim, you put the valve through the port, then you just tuck the entire inner tube in. Okay, it's not going to come out the other end because we haven't taken the whole tire off. But you want to do it nicely, making sure it's going in consistently at the same side like this. So if we say, so if we say this is the side with the rim, you can see a little ripple across the middle, or a little seam across the middle. So that's the side we want at the top whilst we're prying it all in. So if I put the torch here, I'll show you. So what we're doing, we're literally, as you can see here, I've nicely tucked it in. So when we inflate it, it's not going to entangle itself. Just going to gently push it all in. Don't worry if it lapses itself when you do this, because once it's inflated, it will just push into all the edges. You'll actually hear it when you pump it, that it's actually pushing into all the edges. So now we're just going to put this rim over the lip. So it's going to go over the lip, which is quite hard at the end part. So I'll show you the beginning part. We're just pushing it slowly across. So this part is quite easy, but once it comes to the end, it gets very tight. So you have to use a prying tool to get it straight over. If I just get to hold that against, please. Let's try and get it all in. So you're rotating and pressing at the same time around the edges. Okay. Right. Let's try and get this in. There we go. So that's in now. So we don't need to inflate it at this point. Right, this is the another part. So I'm going to put this LED here. This is a very crucial part of it. So we turn it back over the way it came out, like this. And there's chain here, so there's top and bottom, as you can see. So you want to just put anywhere, so anywhere on the cog. Remember these nuts, where they came from. So you hold the slave back, this slave, hold that, bend it back, put it on the chain, and you want to just rest the nut onto the holders. So this one's got a stand, so push the stand out the way, and it will just literally, as you've seen, nice and simple, goes in back into its place. Check the other side, make sure that's gone in as well. Sit down if you need to get a better view, and slightly just wiggle it around if it's not sitting. This is on the outer side, that's why this part here, this. So let's pull it back out and try and get this back out. There's a nut here which is disturbing me. I want to just push that back out, otherwise it's not going to want to sit. There we go. It should go in now. 1 second. Yeah, that's in. And that's in. Right, just freely rotate it before you tighten it up, and that bob's your uncle. So, power cable again, most crucial part for this thing to work. So just want to make sure you align all of these pins. Do not force it, else it will not work ever again. There's 2 on the top left, there we go. And again, with these 2, you don't want to force it in if it's not going in. If it's aligned, it should just gently push in. Yep, which is done. There we go. Pushed it in, and as you can see, the writing is parallel with each other. Sorry, yeah, so the writing here and here, they're parallel with each other. You firmly fixate it into place. Done. But as I said, don't force it. If you bend these pins, I doubt you're going to get a replacement for it. So we've aligned it. Now we're just going to tighten it all up together and job done.
Well done.
I'm sure that's detailed enough.